Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the QA/QC inspection in oil and gas, offshore and onshore. So what type of job they will do, what are the scope of the work, what is the roles and responsibility, and what type of vacancy they are getting in oil and gas. So regarding this, I'm going to explain. Can you please subscribe my channel and you can share this channel video to your friends so that they will also get benefited. So in this QA/QC inspection, they will have two types of inspection. One is DT and another is NDT, destructive test and non-destructive test. So in non-destructive test, we have visual inspection, ultrasonic inspection test, radiographic inspection, magnetic particle inspection, eddy current test, acoustic emission inspection test, dye penetration inspection test, and leak checks. In leak checks, we have two. One is hydrostatic test, another is static test, and boroscopic inspection. So this DT, destructive test, usually they will do in the shop floor. They will take the sample from the field and they will do the test in the shop floor. Whereas NDT, whatever I mentioned, the inspections, they will carried out in site. So the inspection is the most vital role in oil and gas field, because this is a department, the very critical important department in the oil and gas sector. So they only ensure the integrity of witness of the equipment internally. So during the baseline inspection in offshore, any train they will give shutdown. So most of the static equipments like heat exchanger, column, drums, vessels, and these all are the equipment. After operation, they started to isolate, nitrogen purging out. The execution team they will come and they will dismantle. So after dismantle, the QA/QC team they will be very close work with the execution team. So they will come for a visual inspection. So the visual inspection, nook and corner they will see the visual inspection. So after visual inspection only, the team when they give to tell about the execution team for the next step. Maybe we can go for chemical washing or hydrocleaning. Whatever the next step, before that the preliminary visual inspection is must. And stage by stage, the inspection team they will come with the execution team and their scope they will do. And usually they have the types of inspector also in oil and gas we have. Maybe sample checking and a pre-production inspection, during production inspection, pre-shipment inspection, and sorting inspection, metal detection, and loading and unloading uh, supervision. So these all are the inspector scopes it will come. And documentation is the most important for the QA/QC team. So system knowledge and documentation is must for them. So whatever the witness they are doing the inspection in the field, it should be properly documented as per code and standards. So their documentation, the main documentation is ITP, inspection test plan. So in inspection test plan, some of the standards are there. So they will follow the inspection test plan standards. If for example, if I want to say the document review, the material receiving, and installation and pre-commissioning. So these all are the stages of the scope. So once they review the document review, then they will go for the material, what are the material receiving, they will go for the inspection. After receiving all the material inspection, then only they will give the they will give the thing to install. What are the equipment they will give, it's okay, the equipment is inspected, it was witnessed, then they will give permission to install the installation will be going on. After installation, everything pre-commissioning will be there. In every each and every pre-commissioning check, inspection will be there. Inspection is the most vital role. And the challenging of inspection in oil and gas sector is one thing only. Actually, inspection is almost, it's a white collar job. It's a pure white collar job only in oil and gas. But the challenging of the inspection is they have to enter in the confined space. Whenever any drum or any tank or any column, so A to Z they will check the nook and corner inspection. So their time consumption will be more when they enter inside the vessels or inside the tank or whenever entering inside the column. So based on their inspection only, uh, the execution team, they will start the job next by next. So once all the inspection, the witness is proper, finalized, then the inspection at the final stage only, the inspection team, they will give the box up certificate. So once we get the box up certificate, then only the dismantled equipments should be boxed up. Otherwise, the execution team cannot be boxed up. So this is the most thing, and many vacancies are there for QA QC team, especially mechanical engineering, diploma or engineering, mechanical as well as civil. Lot of scopes are there. Even shutdown also lot of scope will be there, and they have to, when they go for level examination, when they clear all the level 1, level 2, level 3 examination, even higher position they will go. So QC manager will be the higher position in crew. So these people will report. So inspector, QC supervisor, QC engineer, and QC manager. So I hope this session will be useful to you all. And regarding next section, I will go for another topic. Thank you, friends. Subscribe my channel again. Thank you so much.